In the heart of time, ancient rituals twined with everyday objects whisper tales of wonder. Imagine a world where simple acts hold keys to abundance, shield of protection, and the pathway to personal growth. Within these timeless practices and mundane treasures lies a mysterious power waiting to be unveiled, secrets hidden in plain sight, waiting for curious minds to decode their mysteries and harness their transformative energies. Brace yourself for a journey beyond imagination, where ordinary becomes extraordinary and the familiar reveals its hidden potential. This is the beginning of a story untold, where ancient meets modern in a dance of revelation and enlightenment. In ancient traditions, simple items like garlic cloves and keys were revered as powerful talismans. These objects were not seen merely as mundane tools, but as conduits for channeling intentions and manifesting desires. For example, garlic was believed to ward off evil spirits and bring protection to homes. People would hang garlic cloves above their doorways or wear them as amulets to safeguard against negativity. Similarly, keys were seen as symbols of unlocking opportunities and unlocking doors to success. By imbuing these objects with specific intentions and beliefs, individuals believed they could tap into their mystical properties and attract positive energies into their lives. The concept of using everyday items as talismans is rooted in the belief that everything in the universe carries energy and vibrations. By aligning oneself with the inherent energies of objects like garlic and keys, one could enhance their own energy field and create a harmonious environment. This practice is not about superstition or magical thinking, but about cultivating a mindset of intentionality and mindfulness. When using garlic cloves or keys as talismans, it's important to set clear intentions. For instance, hanging garlic cloves in your home may be accompanied by a prayer or affirmation for protection and positivity. Similarly, carrying a key as a talisman could be accompanied by a visualization of unlocking opportunities and abundance in your life. The power lies not just in the object itself, but in the intention and belief behind its use. Over time, these practices have evolved and adapted, yet their essence remains unchanged. Today, many people still incorporate simple objects into their spiritual practices as reminders of their intentions and aspirations. Whether it's wearing a special piece of jewelry or keeping a meaningful item on a desk, these talismans serve as tangible symbols of our innermost desires and goals. In the following sections, we will explore various ancient rituals and ordinary objects that hold significance in different cultures and spiritual practices. Each of these rituals and objects carries a unique story and symbolism, showcasing the diverse ways in which humans have connected with the mystical and the ordinary throughout history. Garlic has long been hailed as a natural repellent against negativity and a protector of prosperity in various cultures. The ritual of using a garlic clove as a shield against misfortune is deeply rooted in the belief that garlic possesses powerful properties to ward off evil energies and attract positive vibes. This ancient practice involves hanging garlic cloves above doorways or wearing them as amulets to create a barrier against negativity and invite good fortune. The potency of the garlic clove ritual lies not only in the physical presence of the garlic, but also in the belief and visualization of its protective powers. By imbuing the garlic clove with intentions of repelling negativity and safeguarding prosperity, individuals activate its mystical properties. Visualization plays a crucial role in this process, as people envision a shield of positive energy emanating from the garlic, surrounding them with a protective aura. The belief in garlic's ability to repel negativity and protect prosperity is deeply ingrained in many cultures. For centuries, people have incorporated garlic into their daily lives as a symbol of protection and abundance. Whether used in cooking for its health benefits or as a talisman for spiritual purposes, garlic continues to be revered for its mystical qualities. In contemporary times, The garlic clove ritual has evolved into various forms, adapting to modern lifestyles while maintaining its essence. Some people carry a small garlic clove in their pocket or purse as a personal talisman, while others place garlic cloves in strategic locations within their homes to create a harmonious and protective environment. Regardless of the specific practice, the underlying principle remains the same: belief in the power of garlic to repel negativity and attract positivity. As we delve into the world of ancient rituals and ordinary objects, the garlic clove ritual serves as a poignant example of how simple items can hold profound significance in our lives. It reminds us that the power of protection and prosperity often lies in the beliefs and intentions we infuse into the objects around us. Cloves, known for their aromatic flavor in cooking, also carry significance in attracting financial luck and overall well-being. A simple yet powerful ritual involving 7 cloves can be practiced to manifest financial abundance and prosperity. To perform this ritual, gather 7 cloves and find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Hold each clove in your hand and repeat affirmations related to financial success and well-being. For example, you might say, "I attract wealth and abundance into my life," or "I am open to receiving financial opportunities." Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals and feel a sense of gratitude for the abundance that is coming your way. The effectiveness of this practice lies in the combination of belief, intention, and visualization. By repeatedly affirming positive statements and aligning your thoughts with financial prosperity, you activate the energy of the cloves as symbols of wealth attraction. This ritual can be performed regularly to reinforce your mindset and attract opportunities for professional and personal growth. Many individuals have reported positive experiences and shifts in their financial circumstances after incorporating this simple cloves ritual into their daily routine. It serves as a reminder that small actions rooted in intention and belief can have a significant impact on our lives. As you embark on this journey of financial empowerment, remember the power that lies within you to manifest abundance and prosperity. The key has long been recognized as a symbol of unlocking opportunities and success in various cultures. A simple yet potent ritual involving a key and a green ribbon can be practiced to attract prosperity into your life. To begin this ritual, obtain a key that holds personal significance to you. It could be a key from your home, a vintage key, or a key with symbolic meaning. Next, find a green ribbon, as green is often associated with abundance and growth. Sit in a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus without distractions. Hold the key in your hand and wrap the green ribbon around it, tying it in a knot. As you do so, visualize doors of opportunity opening for you and imagine yourself stepping into a realm of abundance and success. Repeat affirmations such as, "I am open to receiving prosperity," or "I attract opportunities for success." The power of this ritual lies in the combination of belief and visualization. By infusing the key with your intentions and visualizing your desired outcomes, you activate its energy as a talisman for attracting prosperity. This practice can be repeated regularly to reinforce your positive mindset and align your energy with abundance. Many individuals have found this key talisman ritual to be effective in manifesting their desires and attracting opportunities for growth and success. It serves as a reminder that our beliefs and intentions can influence our reality, and small actions such as this ritual can have a significant impact on our lives. As you incorporate this practice into your daily routine, embrace the power within you to unlock doors of prosperity and fulfillment. Incorporating rituals like the garlic clove, cloves for financial luck, and the key talisman into daily routines can bring continuous benefits and positive changes. The key to maximizing these practices lies in belief, intention, and consistency. Firstly, it's essential to believe in the power of these rituals and the symbolism behind the objects used. Belief acts as a catalyst for manifestation, aligning your thoughts and energy with the desired outcomes. When you trust in the efficacy of these rituals, you amplify their impact on your life. Setting clear intentions is another crucial aspect. Before performing any ritual, take a moment to reflect on your goals and what you wish to attract or manifest. Whether it's financial abundance, protection, or success, stating your intentions clearly enhances the effectiveness of the practice. Consistency is key to reaping continuous benefits from these rituals. Incorporate them into your daily routine, whether it's hanging a garlic clove above your doorway, carrying cloves in your pocket, or wearing a key talisman as jewelry. Consistent practice reinforces your intentions and keeps your energy aligned with your goals. Nighttime rituals can also be powerful for reinforcement and subconscious messaging. Before going to bed, you can visualize your desired outcomes, repeat affirmations, or meditate on the symbolism of the objects used in your rituals. This sends positive messages to your subconscious mind, promoting a mindset of abundance and success even as you sleep. By integrating these rituals into your daily life and maintaining belief, intention, and consistency, you create a powerful environment for personal growth and manifestation. These practices serve as reminders of your potential and the possibilities that await when you align your energy with positivity and abundance. As you continue on this journey, may these simple yet profound rituals guide you toward a life filled with prosperity and fulfillment. These simple rituals, such as using garlic cloves, cloves for financial luck, and key talismans, can have profound effects on personal growth and well-being. By incorporating these practices into daily life, individuals can experience transformative changes that ripple out to impact their communities positively. One of the key benefits of these rituals is their ability to cultivate a mindset of positivity and abundance. When people engage in rituals aimed at attracting prosperity, protection, and success, they shift their focus from limitations to possibilities. This shift in mindset can lead to increased confidence, motivation, and resilience, all of which are essential for personal growth. Furthermore, these rituals have the potential to create a ripple effect of positive energy within communities. As individuals experience the benefits of these practices, they often share their experiences with others, spreading positivity and inspiration. This sharing of experiences can foster a sense of community support and encouragement, creating a network of individuals who uplift and empower each other. Encouraging others to join in these rituals and share their own experiences can amplify the impact of these practices. Through collective intention and belief, communities can harness the power of positive energy to create meaningful change and support each other in their journey towards personal growth and well-being. In essence, these simple rituals not only benefit individuals on a personal level, but also contribute to the creation of a supportive and empowered community. By sharing experiences, spreading positivity, and embracing the transformative effects of these practices, we can collectively create a brighter and more fulfilling future for ourselves and those around us. The power of intention, belief, and simple rituals cannot be overstated in shaping our reality. These practices, rooted in ancient wisdom and symbolism, have a profound impact on our mindset, energy, and ultimately our experiences in life. Intention acts as the guiding force behind our actions and thoughts. When we set clear intentions, we direct our energy towards specific goals and outcomes. This focused intentionality aligns our thoughts and actions with what we desire, increasing the likelihood of manifesting positive results. Belief plays a crucial role in amplifying the effects of our intentions and rituals. When we believe in the power of these practices and the symbolism of the objects used, we activate their transformative potential. Belief fuels our commitment to the rituals and reinforces our positive mindset, creating a powerful synergy between our thoughts and the universe. Simple rituals, such as using garlic cloves, cloves for financial luck, or key talismans, provide tangible anchors for our intentions and beliefs. These rituals serve as daily reminders of our goals and aspirations, keeping us focused and motivated on our journey towards personal growth and well-being. It's important to note that these practices are highly personal and customizable. Each individual may resonate with different rituals or objects, and it's encouraged to explore and personalize these practices based on what feels most aligned and meaningful. Furthermore, the collective impact of positivity and shared intentions cannot be overlooked. When individuals come together with shared beliefs and intentions, their combined energy creates a ripple effect of positivity that extends beyond individual well-being. Communities built on shared positivity and support can uplift each other, foster resilience, and create a harmonious environment where growth and abundance flourish. In conclusion, the power of intention, belief, and simple rituals lies in their ability to shape our reality and create meaningful change. By embracing these practices, exploring personalization, and fostering collective positivity, we can cultivate a life filled with purpose, growth, and connection to ourselves and others.